Good morning, everyone. A very healthy morning to all of you. I'm Dr. Charu Sethi from Unitas One Health Academy. Unitas is an organization where we have various Vedic nutrition courses, and in these courses, we teach our students the aspect of Vedic diet planning, where the Vedic diet planning is taught in combination with the modern concepts of nutrition also. So that the combination of the Vedic concepts and the modern nutrition, the Vedic diet plan which is made after that, that is giving very good results to the people who are using them. So based on that only, we have the various courses. So it is always a pleasure for me to invite our students in this session and hear out from them about their experience with Unitas and what all they have learned and how they are using that knowledge practically in their day-to-day life. So it's a great pleasure for me to invite today Miss Anita Pota. And let's hear out from Anita about her experience with what courses she has done, what are her experience while doing the course, and after the completion of the course, how she is using her knowledge. So a very healthy morning to you, Anita ji. How are you doing today?
Good morning. I'm doing fine, ma'am.
Yeah. So Anita, would you like to tell our viewers like what courses you have done from Unitas?
Yeah. Actually, I have done a 2 months Vedic Nutrition Foundation course from Unitas, and I did it in the month of July, and which ended in August. And after that, there was an examination also, and there were some submissions also based on the learnings which we did in the 2 months. So I completed in the month of August.
So how did you come to know about the academy and Unitas, and why did you opt for this academy only for joining the course?
Actually, I came to know about the courses. I was looking for the courses of this nature just to implement these things in our day-to-day life, because as we are on the higher side of our age, 50 plus, so there is a requirement to make your routine in such a way so that your health factor is taken care in your daily routine, because as we are growing, there are so many problems which everybody is facing. So I was looking for a course which is going to help me or maybe guide me to implement, because I'm from an IT background, so there was no knowledge how to implement these things. So I was looking for this, so I came to know about the Unitas from the net only. I was searching quite a bit. I have done many inquiries from many places, so I came to know about this from the net. And after inquiring the things and after having interactions also with the people, and I have physically visited also the center, the office, so I found the course content and quite of my interest, what I was looking for. So that is why I thought of joining the course.
Thank you so much for being a part of Unitas. So what did you learn? Like how did you learn what kind of learning did you get in this course about the Vedic nutrition and the diet planning?
Yeah, in the course, what is the basic thing we learn is about our own body, which we are not aware. Normally, what happens when we are actually taking our diets and everything, we don't understand what kind of diet we should follow, what kind of body we have, and what is going to be suitable for us, because we treat everybody whosoever is in the family in the same way. But due to this course, I came to know about the body types are different. Like whatever I am eating, maybe it is suitable for me, but it may not be suitable for my other family members. So that was because of the body type learnings which I did, which happened in the due course of time, and the type of diet which is required for everybody. With different ages and types, so we understand now what is the basic requirement for everybody, what is suitable diet for everybody, which I was not knowing before the course. Also, there were few things like the food combinations which we are not aware, because from day one, when we in the society, these things are very common, like taking the fruits and other things with the milk and the curd, which is as per the Ayurveda, it is not the correct thing to do. So these basic things which otherwise would not have been possible for us me to understand, but due to this course there are many things which I learned, which got clarified, which I'm trying to implement in my family also, in my life also, and it has shown me the results also. I'm happy for
What
that.
kind of results are you getting when you have started implementing this knowledge?
Actually, because I'm 50 plus myself, and as we all know, we enter into the Vata age after 50. So initially, weight gain was not an issue for me till 50. I was not having a major weight gain issue. But after 50, definitely there was the weight gain, and I was trying to, reduce the weight by doing little walks and doing little gyms also. But it was not showing me the results. So what I understood by that is just the exercise part is not working on the body. It has to be the diet. It has to be combined with the diet. Then only you get the results. But I was not aware what kind of diet is required or suitable for my body so that I can reduce the weight. So after doing the course, I came to know about the diet, what exactly is required for me. And most important thing is the cycle which we have to follow for the whole day, which was missing before I started this course, which even I was not even aware of that. So it was two things, major things happened. Was the first thing is the cycle of the day, like what we call in Ayurveda as the dincharya. That is the first thing. And second thing is that what kind of food, maybe we were eating the same food but it was not taken in the way it should have been taken. So that is the major change that happened, and that only showed us the results after making the regime in a little disciplined way, and the diet also in a little disciplined way.
So you
So
were just telling me that you were able to lose quite a good amount of weight in few
yes,
months. Can
yes.
you tell our viewers about that?
Yes. Because when I started the course, there was the analysis which was done on my body also during the course, which was done by you only. I was 65.5 at that time. And after I implemented the learnings in the course, in due course of time, I nearly lost 6 kg. Today I'm 59, which is getting maintained, and I'm happy for that. Because these days, like there were few festivals also, Diwali and other things, so you have the tendency to eat little bit about the sweets and other things, but definitely at the back of the mind those learnings are always there,
Yeah.
and which they bring you back on the
On the
on
track.
your track. Yes.
Yeah.
So which was little, maybe that was absent in the initial stage.
So
So that
now you understand, like when we teach you, we always tell you that food and lifestyle go hand in hand. So if
right.
anybody is suffering from any disease, or not only disease, generally if they want to keep themselves healthy in day-to-day life, food and lifestyle are two things that have to go hand in hand. And you are the best example, where you are saying that you were trying to lose weight through the exercise, through the gym, and eventually when you also started taking care of your diet, a combination of the two helped you a lot. So
Definitely.
it's a very good thing to hear from you that you are able to implement the knowledge first of all on yourself only, and you are able to help yourself. So Anita, how was your experience with Unitas, like the all the process since you started, and during the time of the course, how was the content of the course, how were the teachings that were given to you? So how was your experience?
As far as the course is concerned, the content part, I am satisfied with that, because the way it has been, made, it is as per the beginners. Because I was a beginner, I don't have any background in this, and I don't have any experience also in this. But as a beginner, I could understand each and everything, whatever is there in the course, and I could actually implement those things in my life also, in my family also. The course contents are good, were good, and the teachings also, because you have been my teacher, you have been taking the course, it was excellent. That in the teaching I will say 10 on 10. There's no issue in that, no problem in that. And as far as the assignments and other things were concerned, they also were, at times it was getting little text because of our own routine also. But the motivation which was during the course, that was that much that we could, I used to stay late nights also just to finish those assignments. that motivation was there during the course, which is very important, because we are at a very later stage of our life, where the education and the learning is, that goes the back seat. But the course contents and the teachings of Unitas was like that I was so motivated, and the learnings were so good. So I could cope up with the course contents also, and the assignments also, and the exams also.
So I would like to appreciate, in that case, I would like to appreciate you, like the assignments that you have done during the course and during the workshop. They were really awesome. And I appreciate you for that. Rather, I am using a lot of your PPTs and your diets, and I show it to my other batches as a sample. So, and I feel very proud, because I always tell them that she's one of my student who has learned from us, and she's making all this. So for that reason, I would like to appreciate you. So Anita, as you were saying just now, that you are from a non-medical background, and there are many people like you who are from non-medical background, who want to learn about food, nutrition, and they want to implement that knowledge on themselves also, and on their family also. So what is like the thing, that the suggestions that would you like to give them, that why is it important not only for medical or from non, but also for the non-medical people to learn about the health and nutrition through these courses?
I think as we grow in age, as we are in our 20s and 30s, that time our profession and careers, that they are the priority. But as we grow in age, we really understand that by the end of the day, the health factor is the most important thing in your life, because ultimately, whatever you have achieved in your life, maybe the finances, maybe your settled life, but if you are not having your health in shape, you will not be able to enjoy those things in your later stage. So as I feel that this is very important. In fact, it's not that after doing this course, what I feel that these learnings are so important that it should be made as the part of our education system. You learn these things at a very later stage, which we realize, oh my god, if we would have been knowing these things a little earlier, we would have been in a very better shape, much better shape. But we learn through experience, means we have to pay something. We are paying for this. We are getting the ailments. First of all, we are suffering a lot, and then we try to find here and there what to do, how to make our health better. But if we include these in our curriculum and in our education system, that is, if a suggestion is to be taken from my side, I would love to make this as the part of our education system, because whatever we do in our life, that you have to do. But we are compromising on the health part, that is because of not having the awareness.
Yes.
But if that awareness is there, it should be made compulsory for every field. It's not only for the medical field, it is for the non-medical, any field for that matter, because health is common for everybody. Whosoever is working in different fields, health is the major thing for, I think, everybody, which sooner or later everybody understands. So that way, it is important for every field, not only for the medical field only.
So Anita ji, that was a very beautiful insight that you have given to our viewers about Unitas, about the course that you have done, and I feel that your words are very motivating and inspiring for everyone who is watching this show. So thank you so much for joining the session and giving your beautiful interaction with me, and we look forward to have you again in any of the sessions, and also to have you as our students. Thank you so much.
Pleasure was all mine.
Thank you
so much. Thanks a lot.